Okay, let's go!
Let's fucking go!
Hoppa! Hoppa! Yeah! Oh! Oh shit, oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Shit! Okay, the bee boss has come. Yeah. I'm so sorry. Right, that's the beekeeper. She's cleaning up my mess. Check this out. Yes. Look at this guy. He's crazy. Yes, no.
Geh mal da eine Sprayl drüber.
This is crazy, my friends. Really crazy.
Ich habe jetzt keinen zweiten Boden. Die meisten den belosen. Die meisten sind verteidigen.
Can you speak in English, please?
Yeah. Joe destroyed the beehive successfully. Joe X.
Because I'm an idiot. But this is the good stuff, huh?
Yeah, this is wax that needs to go. So.
So I will shoot it with a shotgun then. That's Axel, he cannot speak English so good.
And he's wearing no shoes.
Check this guy out. Yeah. But where's the queen?
I don't know, but here you can see there are bees. There are Schau, siehst du, es lauter Stifte, also ganz unten sind lauter Stifte.
Ja.
Das heißt, sie haben eine irgendwo. Lots of bees.
Impressive.
Impressive. What are the queens?
So guys, if you have an accident with bees, you call her.
And if you want an accident with bees, you call him.
Yeah. And thanks God, the golf is okay. For now. Yeah, this looks okay, and you think they're gonna be killed all or not?
I don't know. They need the queen because they cannot build one now. Because it's September right now, so we will see.
Yeah.
Yep.
So if there's no queen, I'm gonna probably kill millions of bees. I will rot in hell for sure.
So, jetzt haben wir noch verschoben, weil ich glaube, die waren mit den Umständen.
Impressive, man. And what's this plastic shit up there?
If I don't have the plastic shit up there, they're gonna fill everything here full with wax.
Ah,
Yep.
that's not good.
No, it's not good.
So when do we know if they are fucked or not?
In a few few days, I guess.
But
Next year.
this looks calm here.
Yeah.
Maybe they are killer bees. They can stung through my mechanics glove, that's crazy.
Yeah!